welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a best-selling t-shirt design that is on Etsy. For this particular video, I'm going to be doing the niche of kindergarten teacher. This is a very big niche, not only for kindergartners, but kindergarten teachers. I recommend if you're going to create t-shirt designs, especially if selling them on Etsy, it can be very oversaturated. You want to make sure that you niche down as much as possible. And so that's what I'm doing for this video. You can also recreate the design for first grade, second grade, and so on. But let's get right into it. So, of course, whatever niche that you are on, you're going to go ahead and search that. And you're going to go ahead and look at what is the popular now or bestsellers, either one. I would prefer the bestseller. But as you can see, this right here is a bestseller. We have the kindergarten broken up, and then we have the Miss Johnson in the middle. This is the one that I'm going to be recreating or showing you guys how to recreate it. It's not going to be exactly like this, but it is going to be similar because you don't want to copy designs exactly as is. So I'm going to go over here and show you where I've already recreated it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get right into the video. So we're going to go over here to Etsy. As you can see here, this is the design that I recreated. I have this version and I have this version. As you can see, it's pretty similar, but the letters are a little bit different. So this is something where you can come in and stand out because it's already a best-selling design. So let's go ahead and show you how that I got this design. So as you can see, these are individual letters here. And I got these letters over here by searching the element. So you can find different letters or fonts by searching elements if you didn't know that already. And I simply typed in teacher font or teacher letters. And this is how I got the first one. So as you can see here, we're going to hit see all. And if you like one that you see, you want to make sure that you go ahead and click these three dots and hit view collection so that you can see all of the letters in that collection. In this particular collection, I liked because it had capital letters and lowercase letters. So you can determine whether you're going to use all capital or just capital letters for the first of the word, which is what I did. And so I simply let's go ahead and add a page. I got the letters that I needed from here. Let's see. Some of the letters, they don't always show up at first. You might have to click on it and then it'll see more. But as you can see here, I have my first letter for it, which is the K. Then you're gonna space it or size it how you would like. This particular sizing is from Printify. So wherever you're doing your print on demand or selling your shirts, you want to make sure to get that file size. This is a 3852 px by 4398. So you want to make sure that you, when you're creating your design, you're on the home screen, you select custom size, and you go ahead and type in the width and height and hit create design based off of whatever type of t-shirt that you are creating. So once you've done that, you're going to make sure that you get all of your letters. Like I said, determine if you're going to do capital letters, lowercase, and then you're just going to make sure that you're sizing them all the right size. Canva helps you by showing you the dotted lines to make sure everything is lining up. And then you're going to go ahead and put the letters there. It's already resizing it. What I like about Canva, because I've already done this. So it's just doing the same size that I've already done. But once you figure out your sizing, you'll be able to do that. And then you'll just click through. Like I said, each letter. You want to hit see all. Sometimes it doesn't always show all of them, but the collection should be there until you find all of the letters that you need. You might need to actually search that particular letter if you don't see it, like info that says lowercase d. I would put maybe Apple font or teacher font to find that. But as you click through, more letters will appear, and then you'll be able to have all the letters that you need for the word. So that is what I did here. I did kindergarten, and once I got all of those, I made them, I didn't change the color or anything like that. The next thing I did was I just typed in Over here, once again, we have like a push pin and we have a heart. So that is all that I did. I just went over to elements and I typed in push pin. I went over to graphics. Photos is going to be more of a realistic. I want it to be more like a graphic look. And I believe I chose this one. No, I chose one where you could change, it was like multiple colors. So you're going to just go through, I think it was this one. I like this one because you can go over here and you can color match to the letters and you can put the red, the same exact red on there. And then I just put on the slight side red. I did the opposite actually, but as you can see, I could have made it red with the slight green. I made all of it green, and then you can do whatever color. We have the gray. So we have that there, and that is how I got that one. So this is pink push pin under graphics. And I always like to use one where you can change the colors because I like to color match everything. And then I just typed in heart over here on the elements. I selected graphics, and then I just went through and saw which whatever one I liked, and I added that one. Again, I would choose one where I can actually select the color so that I can color match it. I'm not seeing the one that I chose, but you can definitely go through and see which one you like. I'm going to go ahead and hit ungroup so I can get the info on this. 2 red heart shapes. So if you type that in, this may appear. Anytime things go together, I like to highlight it and group it so that everything moves as one. It's a lot easier. And you can also highlight all of it as well, like that, so that it can make sure that it's centered. And we have the white background because we're going to be downloading this as a transparent share, download, PNG, transparent background. Always for t-shirts or print on demand designs, you want to have a transparent background so that it can go on any type of color shirt, except of course whatever the letters are. Like you're not going to have black letters on a black shirt. So if this needed to go on a black shirt, we would have to change these Mrs. Johnson to a white. So you can just simply duplicate it, select the text, and make the text white. Obviously, it's not going to show up here, but you'll know when you download it that it will be there, especially if you're putting on a black or darker color shirt, like a gray or something like that. And then you can name it as well. Red letter teacher with white font, or whatever you want to name it as, so you can know the difference. And then, yeah, so that is how I went ahead and recreated this design right here. And then I'm going to show you how I did this version. It's simply the same, pretty much the same thing. I typed in, I think for this one, I put pencil font under elements. And yes, and this is how I got this one. And so because this theme right here had different style letters, I wanted to recreate that type of version. So right here, let's see, 3 dots. This does not say view collection, but I know that it has a full collection because I was able to find these. So you would just simply, once again, select whatever one that you wanted. This particular one, let me ungroup this. This particular letter, you cannot change the colors. So you would have to be, this one you can, this one you can. So I thought it looked great how it was. So I simply found this one. And then I found this one as well, which is like the ruler style. So directive fonts, alphabet letters. So you can type in ruler font. And I selected this one, and then I was able to see more of those when I selected this one. As you can see, when you click on a particular element, it's going to give you magic recommendations. And then you can have, now you see more of that as well. And then I also, obviously I used the same Apple one, and then I found this one, which was like a paper looking one. Info, lowercase alphabet, notebook. So you can type in notebook style font. notebook letter font. And this is the one that I use. It's right here. So as you can see, that's pretty simple. It is a little tedious because you have to do it letter by letter, but because it's not too many letters, it's not too bad. And then you have this right here in cursive. Obviously, this is going to be like a personalized t-shirt order that you're going to be selling, where the person needs to provide that at checkout, whether it's a gift or the teacher is buying it themselves. So yeah, all you have to do simply is search all of these different letter fonts, place them there, make sure that they're all sized correctly. You can go ahead and highlight and group them so that they move as one, and make sure everything is lined up. And then when you're ready, you're going to go ahead and hit share, download, transparent background, and you're going to go ahead and select whatever pages, especially if you're creating multiple designs, and you're going to upload it to whatever platform that you are using for your print on demand. So this has been how I recreated this best-selling teacher kindergarten design. If you like this video, I appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and comment down below what type of videos I should create next, and subscribe so that you don't miss a video. If you would like these designs, please comment that below and I will make that available. I also, if you would like to receive designs like this or templates, Canva templates that you can resell as is or edited, then you can go ahead and join my membership. The highest tier is $9.99 a month, and this will open the door for you to receive ready-made templates that you can make money with. So thank you again for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.